Hello, my dear friend. Uh, I repaired this inverter board for air conditioner Hisense. I changed the rectifier here and changed for part of the boards. This here for input AC L1 natural air and L1 natural to the EMI, and then come to the PCB. Is here. For L1 and this natural for in, and this here phase 1 and natural go to the panel, and the combination between unit outdoor and indoor. This is for signal wires, and here AC come to there. This is a relay. AC go to the fuse, and the resistance shunt go to the EMI. After the filter noise go to the rectifier, next to a capacitor for filter, then go to the for VCC SMPS in the PCB. This relay from relay 1 natural and phase go to the PCB2 driver, and here we have to fire wires for a reactor. We have here capacitor 450 volt, and then 3300 microfarad. We have here sensor PCB. This is segment for showing an error in the PCB. This is a resistance shunt and the IPM part of IPM and the IGBT diode SMPS and here IC driver. Here UVW for compressor. This fan here AC. They have three low, medium and high. AC fan motor. Now I want to test after the repair. This is a board. I know I can't to description about the board, excuse me, but I try to explain this board. We have here error code for this here board. Now I want to find the tester. I want to check capacitor for charge first time. And now I want to now I bet here two wires for connected to the multimeter for showing the first time charging the capacitor, how can to charging, and I want to control this board. Now I'm here for DC volt. Okay. Now I'm using a second multimeter for checking the IPM. I using the GNU from capacitor for communication with bearing voltage. Now I using 3 multimeter for checking the IPM and the capacitor. I want to control this here not coming the problem, and I using the communication loft for smalling current. Now I'm here UVW using 2 wires for 2 multimeters. in the VCC voltage DC for showing the how much we have under high voltage and the capacitor and the IPM. We have here a out fan. Now I want to create here wires for showing fan. This capacitor and low and medium and high. Okay. Now first off on up on. Okay. Why I can't using 3 multimeters for capacitor after repair this is a board? Because I want to know this capacitor to first time how much is charging, if the charge is go to up for 1500, I'm cut this voltage, not let to next time. I using the communication for AC. Now this PCB not the to start because I'm not using the reactor. Okay, now I'm using the reactor. This is the wires for reactor. Now I want to start. Now to start. Okay. Okay. Now I want to explain about the PCB for you. This is a multimeter for using capacitor. How capacitor charging. 218.8 volt in the capacitor have charge. 2 multimeter 13 voltage. This here for IPM. We have a PCB error for communications and sensor communication. We don't have PCB indoor here. I've only using PCB outdoor. Thank you for watching here. If you like this video, please like me and share for maybe in the more video